Today we're going to be talking about how to spring clean your washer. What I'm using here is a little bristle brush. This came in a packet of bottle washing kits. It's very small. It works so well. You'll see why I like it so much. We're also going to be using the pink paste. As you can see, I have a lot of hair that builds up in here. We have 3 long-haired dogs. We also live on a farm, so this washer goes through a lot on a daily basis. I really like this small bottle brush because it gets in all of the creases so well in the seal, all of those things that will hold on to all the hair or the dirt and can cause mold and mildew and just things you don't want in your washer. You can see how well the bristle brush here actually grabs onto all of the things I'm really looking to pull out of the seal. We're going to be using the pink stuff to wash or scrub the entire seal of the washer here. I really like the pink stuff because it's got a little bit of grit to it. We're going to let that sit the entire time we scrub out the outside of our washer here. We're also going to be pulling out the drawer for the detergent and your softeners and all of that stuff. I'll link a video down below exactly how to pull this out, but it's very simple. We're going to wash this entire drawer and all the little additives that I'm pulling out here with nothing but hot water and Dawn dish soap. Once again, your little bristle brush is going to work really well for all those nooks and crannies. We're going to make sure that we're washing out also this slit here that holds that, because you can see all the hard water that's coming out of here, all the lime buildup, soap and mildew buildup. It's really important to get all that stuff cleared out so that your washer can work effectively, and it also preserves the life of your washer. Once everything has been rinsed, it's cleaned out, we're going to put it all back together. Once again, I'll link that video down below for you guys. Slide that back in, and then we're going to use some washing machine cleaner. I got this from Menards. It was about $2 or $3. It's very cost efficient. We're going to set our washer onto a self-clean cycle and let that go. While this is running, we're going to go ahead and wipe off the entire outside of the washer, and that is completely done. That's how you spring clean your washer.